Alright, so we hooking up a Android screen. Jeep Grand Cherokee. As we know, the battery is located under the passenger seat. You know I do my shit. This the before. We're gonna show you the after. Chill. Alright, we finna test run it. Old radio. New radio. We're gonna test run it. There we go. We got some power. We got some power, my boy. My test run. You know how I get on, baby. 2017 Chevy Malibu. We doing brakes. Got the new brakes right here. We doing back brakes and front brakes. Got one side done. This how you put the clips in. The clips go right here. And that way. And this is how you put the clips in. Time for new rotors. Passenger side number 2. Once again, do not ever in your life let your brakes get this low, y'all. This is from Salt, so.
Isn't there still people up at your job? You can't go use my car to go get your key?
Look at this. It's metal to metal. New brakes. We're gonna do rotors next week. Last of the brake. This one, these back brakes ain't too bad. Pretty good. This one over here ain't too bad. We got these spindle brakes, so y'all already know how to do them. If y'all don't, I'll show y'all. It's a wrap. What's the dealie? It's your boy Bobby B, aka BK Motorsports. Let's go.